The 1,004-foot-long James R. Barker is making one last icy voyage before her winter layup in Sturgeon Bay, Wisconsin. Breaking through surface ice on the St. Mary's River, the Barker is one of Interlake Steamship Company's 4 1,000-foot-long Great Lakes vessels and is tied for second largest vessel on the Great Lakes. Built in 1976, she is 1,004 feet long, 105 feet wide, and can carry 59,000 gross tons of cargo. Her 250-foot unloading beam is nearly 1/4 of her total length and can discharge all of her cargo in as little as 8 hours. The plume coming out of her stack is because of the diesel exhaust scrubbers, which were installed in 2016. This removes pollutants such as sulfur and nitrogen oxides from her smoke. Most of what you actually see is steam, as water is used in the scrubbing process. Sailing in front of the docked US Coast Guard and Valley Camp Museum ships, you can really see how massive she is. It would take nearly 5 minutes just to walk from one tip to the other. The supply ship Ojibwe is here once again. Let's get a closer look. The Ojibwe makes quick work of one of her last deliveries before hibernating for the rest of the winter. All loaded up with a draft of 26 feet, she's just a little bit shorter than the quarter-mile-long Cloverfield electric power plant. Here's one last really cool long shot. My drone's going about 30 miles an hour here, which really puts the gargantuan size of this vessel into perspective. Thanks for watching till the end, I really appreciate it. On the left is my first Interlake video featuring the KE Barker. I figured that was fitting. On the right, who knows? It's whatever the YouTube algorithm thinks you like.